This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, March 11th. I'm James Spann. Hope you enjoyed today because tomorrow temperatures go the wrong way. Let's take a look out the window with the Skycam network. Yeah, really nice today. This is the view coming from Jasper. Temperatures well up in the 70s. The sky there partly sunny. That's our Skycam from Chehaw State Park looking down the spine of the Talladega Mountains. Some filtered sunshine there, but yep, rain falling on the Gulf Coast. It's our Skycam down at the Phoenix All Suites where they've had rain for the past hour or so. And you can see a pretty tight little low in the Gulf moving northeast, producing the rain there at Gulf Shores, and that is moving northeast. That's going to bring some rain in here tonight. That's the radar at 2:38. The rain was falling from Gulf Shores up to Mobile, almost as far north as Meridian. Raining around Jackson and Monroeville, and that rain is moving northeast, and pretty good chance we'll see some rain in here tonight, and certainly chance a few showers tomorrow morning as well with a cold front coming in. But yes, this pretty much is the warmest day so far this year for many places. We have 78 at Alexander City at mid-afternoon. Birmingham and Anniston 76, Tuscaloosa 74. Feels good, but tomorrow will be a different kind of day. Fair warning. And around the nation, you can see a very tight gradient developing along a cold front that's now south of Chicago. You've got some 80-degree warmth over parts of Texas today, but that's going to fade away as the cold air takes over tomorrow. Nothing like the chill we had back in January, but still it's going to be quite a change. Winter storm warnings in effect from Chicago up to the northern part of New England, including all of Maine, where they'll see some big snows up and through there. And it's not on this map, but wind advisories are up now for basically all of north and central Alabama for tomorrow, as strong winds will develop behind that front tomorrow afternoon. Severe weather possibilities tomorrow. A slight risk, the standard risk, around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Harrisonburg, Virginia, places like that up to almost Philadelphia, Wilmington, Delaware. But no thunderstorms expected here. No problems. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Sunday morning. Rain amounts of about 1/2 inch. That would include the amount of rain we get tonight and tomorrow morning, and then again on Saturday. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, and this is tomorrow at 1 o'clock. You can see the shortwave energy passing just north of us. And let's walk you through the NAM. This is tonight at, 7 o'clock after, remember my new times here. We're back on daylight saving time. This is 7 o'clock this evening, and if the model is right, it should be raining in Birmingham. Might be a little later than this, but certainly rain should be coming through tonight. And then at 1 a.m., the bulk of that batch of rain is off to the east. So again, the NAM is suggesting the main window for rain may be about 7 p.m. until 1 a.m. with the first batch. That's with that shortwave coming in from the west. And then tomorrow, the cold front comes in. This is 11 o'clock. This is actually noon tomorrow. And you can see the front should be right on top of Birmingham with a band of showers in advance of that. And there will be a very sharp gradient, as you can see. South and east of the front, you'll have readings in the low 70s. North and west of the front, you've got 40s. And it should be a case where temperatures begin in the 60s. They fall quickly through the 50s. We wind up in the 40s by mid to late afternoon. And a howling north wind. That pressure gradient is really tight. I would suggest winds will be in the 15 to 30 mile per hour bracket. That's an average wind, and the gusts might even be higher. And again, wind advisories have been posted. So get ready for a day of falling temperatures, strong north winds. This is Thursday. We will start the day below the freezing mark. We're expecting a low down in the more than likely upper 20s. That is going to be very brisk. Some of the colder pockets might see mid-20s. So get ready for that. The day should be mostly sunny. The high around 50 on Thursday. And this is Friday. Again, Friday morning is going to be cold. I think we'll probably see another freeze. The low should be around 30. The high Friday afternoon should be back in the 60s. The sky will be sunny. And this is Saturday. A lot of weekend questions. There's a low confidence forecast for the weekend. Let's see what this run looks like. You can see strong energy coming in from the west. Down below that, that looks pretty wet. If this is right, the day could be relatively wet. Not raining all day, but rain certainly at times. The sky will be cloudy. The high will be in the 60s. And again, the GFS wants to show drier conditions on Sunday with only an outside chance of a lingering shower or two. And the GFS has been pretty persistent in the idea. But if you look at the NAM Sunday evening, it's got a swath of rain coming in here, a swath of showers. So we're sure not going to drop the chance of rain on Sunday. We'll mention occasional showers Saturday and a chance of showers Sunday. And again, the high Sunday should be in the 60s. We'll go to Monday. Drier air moves in. Should be a cooler day, maybe the high dropping back in the upper 50s. And a week from today, that looks dry with seasonal temperatures. Low probably in the upper 30s, and the high would be in the 60s. Go out there a few more days. March 23rd, that looks relatively wet. And the end of the forecast on March 27th, shortwave energy passing northeast of here. That would be dry and pleasant if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.